Alright, YouTube, today we're going to be talking about a knife I got at Harbor Freight. Basically needed a knife for the car just to have it there for emergencies. Nothing, high quality or nothing that's going to get used every day. So it is the Gordon 3 and 1/16 stainless steel folding knife. They sell it at Harbor Freight. It was about $5. $5 at Harbor Freight. So, alright, let's go ahead and get started. Made in China, like everything else. It says stainless steel. Little bit of oil on the packaging, but yeah, it feels pretty heavy, so it's heavy metal, you know. The only thing I didn't like is that it doesn't have a locking. It doesn't lock. Somehow the locking part doesn't work. I don't know why. But it doesn't work. It locks this way, as in you can go this way, but it doesn't lock, like that. You could just take it down. I mean, for $5, I think it's a fairly good knife, but that's the only downside about this knife, that it doesn't lock in there in place. Oh, there it is. It locked. Wow. I didn't know it locked. Learned something new. So, YouTube, I was wrong. It does lock. Just gotta, I guess, hit it real hard. Alright, let's see what happens. Yep. That's the way you're supposed to be doing it. Yep. Locked in there. So YouTube, clarification, it does have a locking mechanism in there. It'll lock in place. And overall, it's it's pretty sharp. Let's test it with the paper here. Let's see. All right. Yeah. Pretty sharp. There you go. Pretty sharp. Yep. Just gotta hold it the right way. Yep. See? Pretty sharp. Yep. And it has a little clip there if you want to put it on your pocket. And all you gotta do is just push this way, and it'll just unlock. And if you wanna, and that's how you open it. And you just see if I want to try it this way. See if it'll lock. Now it's locking. See, it needed a little use. Haven't used it yet, so I just opened it right now. So maybe that's it. Alright, YouTube, this is my quick review on this Gordon 3 and 1/16 stainless steel folding knife. It was about $4 at the Harbor Freight, $5 at the Harbor Freight store. Alright, remember to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.